Hey Edmonton, Cassie here with Cassie K Realty. Today we are in Miller, which is in North Edmonton. I have a fantastic house to show you, but one that is probably not going to be on the market very long. So take a look, and if it's something that you're interested in, please reach out right away so that we can make sure we can get you in for a showing before it's gone. So today is a two-story home. It's got a double attached garage. There's 3 really good sized bedrooms upstairs, as well as an additional bedroom downstairs in the fully finished basement. There's tons of upgrades, very well kept home, so it's one that you're going to want to see. Let's take a look. Okay, so starting on the exterior here, really great curb appeal. As you can see, you have the double attached garage, which is super convenient for our winter months. But you also have the man door there and an additional window for some extra lighting. Great front porch and a beautiful front door. Very nice. So coming in, you are welcomed with a nice vaulted foyer. Nice lighting feature there as well. So lots of space. You have a front closet here. There's also another front closet just around the corner here. And then of course access to the garage. So there's your front entrance. Okay, California knockdown ceiling. And then you have your main floor powder room as well as laundry. So you don't have to go all the way down the stairs, which is nice. This home is very, very well kept. Nice tiles, hardwood flooring. Going into the kitchen here, you have convenient pantry. They've done some upgrades in here as well. So you have the quartz countertops. And then they have also some nice built-ins here. So nice and convenient for all of your storage. That one, and then this one has the same thing. Tons of counter space here, as you can see. Double sinks with the window, and plenty of space here for your formal dining. And that walks out to your backyard here. There is a gazebo here, and that will be staying. So really nice for the summer days. You have some beautiful plots here to do your gardening, and some really great trees that just add a little bit of nature and privacy. You can hear all the birds chirping. So nice. Okay, so we'll head back in here. Okay, so this leads into the living room. Beautiful gas fireplace there. Again, just really comfortable, very well kept. We'll head upstairs here. So again, 3 bedrooms upstairs. We have almost 1,700 square feet on the top 2 floors, plus your finished basement. And so you see a nice feature there. There's a bunch of extra windows here as well, so just adding in a bunch of extra light. So here's the master. The master is massive. Look at that. Tons of space. You have a walk-in closet and beautiful ensuite with double sinks. Again, lots of counter space. There's a nice window to let in some light. Tiled shower. Okay, here's room number 2. Nice and bright. Double closet. And room number 3. So good sized bedrooms. And then you have the full bath here as well. Also with another window there. So all those extra windows are beautiful and let in lots of extra light for you. Now we'll head into the basement, which again is fully finished. So add some extra living space for you. This one, I know I've been in the market here over the last few weeks. It's just getting wild. So I know this one is not gonna last very long, especially with features like finished basement. Everybody's looking for that little bit of extra space. And this is done very well. You have an extra basement bedroom here, which is a good size, and full washroom as well with the stand-up shower. There's also some extra storage, and then the furnace room. All right, so thanks again for joining me in the virtual walkthrough. If you have any questions or if you wanted to schedule an in-person showing, please contact me right away, 780-974-5109. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.